So when starting up with a YouTube video, along with a camera, we need an external microphone so that you get that clear and crisp sound. So my first unboxing video will be regarding the external microphone I brought from Amazon. So hey there everyone, name's Lohit and welcome you to my channel LG the Curious. Let's get started. So this is the package I received from Amazon with my mic in it. So let's open it up. Here's the box with the mic in it. Company name written Maono Vision Drives Technology. Although the price here is written rupees 699, I got it in Amazon for 280 rupees. Maono Lavalier microphone. Okay, let's check what's inside. Okay, the pouch to carry the microphone. Considering the price, the quality is pretty good, with the logo and the name of the company written on it. Okay, anything else? Okay, we have two cards. One of them seems to be a feedback card, or contact them in case any problem arises. And this one's with specifications and parts of the microphone. Okay, let's check the microphone. Okay, let's see. Here's the microphone. There's an external jack. Okay, and there must be a clip. Here it goes. And nothing else. Okay, the clip seems to be of metallic. Okay, let's look at the microphone. Tip seems to be of plastic, although the wire seems to be pretty good. Tied up by velcro. Tip seems to be pretty good. Okay, so let's test it out. And remember, this voice recording is from a microphone from the earphone. So this is me speaking from this new lavalier mic. Pretty comfortable to wear, and the voice seems pretty clear, and the amount of noise cancellation is good compared to the price. So in my opinion, it's a very good microphone in case you're a beginner and want to invest less money in starting up your channel. I will provide the link to buy this microphone down below in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you. Actually, I had planned to make this video in the first week of May, but I live in Odisha, and as you all guys know, we faced a very devastating tropical cyclone in the first week of May, which led to massive destruction in our state, along with disruption of electricity and water supply. So it took some time for the electricity and internet to get restored. So please consider donating to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Thanks a lot. It will be very kind of you to donate, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.